ଯଦି ଆମର ସେ ସାମ୍ନାର ଜମ୍ପିଂ କରିଛି
ନାଇଁ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ନାହିଁ, ଖାଲି ୟା ପାଇଁ ଆକାର ଅଛି।
Head north on National Highway 16.
Okay, so
Continue on National Highway 16 for 1.5 kilometers.
okay, thank you. So let me brief you about the servicing that I did today. Basically, and the most important part was brake pads, जो completely worn out हो गए थे और मुझे लग भी रहा था because of the bite force was completely missing from the vehicle, and I anticipated that it might be a requirement of brake pad service. So I placed an order before visiting the showroom so that they could arrange, and even they have the same problem.
Slide left onto Katak,
Now
Bhubaneswar Road.
Google Maps will continue to interrupt me. Anyways, now they placed an order and they have the same problem, as this vehicle has not been sold much in the Indian market, so they do not keep the spares, even the bare minimum, the basic spares they used to order on
Slide
an
left
orderly
onto
basis.
Katak, Bhubaneswar Road.
We'll go through this. So that's the reason. Even the air filter, engine air filter.
Continue on Katak, Bhubaneswar Road for 1 kilometer.
Let me switch off this map assistance and it will be fine. Okay. Now even the engine air filter, I need to place an order. Then they will follow me up. Give me some space. Hello. Then they will call me back and they will confirm me. After that, I will schedule a date. Then I will visit them to service it. So this is what the scenario with the Honda CR-V. The air filter, the AC cabin filter is somewhat similar to Honda City. Even the diesel filter is similar to Honda City diesel. But for air filter, Honda Civic, Honda CR-V and Honda Accord, all three share the same air filter. So you need to place an order in order to get it. And every 10,000 kilometers I need to call them, and I will just list them out all my requirements, and then they will place all the orders. But in cases of some spare parts like the lower arm, the anti-sway anti-sway bar or the jumping bus bars. For all those kind of stuff, you need to compulsorily pay them advance, then only they will place an order. Let me fill the diesel. Yes, this is where I fill diesel, the Jio pump. Then I'll talk to you. Okay, so the requirement was the lower arm, the anti-sway bar, stabilizer bar, all these things. Though the requirement basically important was the bus of the lower arm, which was approximately 9,000 something, and even the left side and the right side has different pricing. I believe the right side one is combiningly 15,000 something, and the left side one something around 12,000. So it is, that's what makes a noise. The moment I put the vehicle into a pothole, there is a thud noise. That is because of the small vibration that occurs in between the two metal points, which is being compensated by the bus, by a rubber bus. And the bus is also of a very big size, comparatively, like 7 to 8 inches in diameter. So very big size bus. And I've placed an order. They will confirm me, and then they will convey me the message when the parts will come. And the brake pads of this vehicle, it is amazing. The amount of bite it offers, and it will like, the moment you press the brakes, you can anticipate how much braking distance it will require to stop the vehicle. So you feel very confident over your speeds and like maneuvering the vehicle, just because of the brakes, particularly the front brakes. The bite is very, very strong as compared to the rear one. Though the rear brakes are, well, good for another 10 to 15,000 kilometers, and I have not yet changed the rear brakes till now. And this is my second pair of brake pads, and my vehicle's mileage is around 1,02,000 kilometers. So brilliant. In case of any other vehicle, you would have like spent more time in the service center as compared in the road. Indoor unit. Give me some space. No space available. I'm driving at 53. The mini truck is very close to me. If I will brake, I'm very well confident enough that I will brake hard and I will come to a halt. But you never know about the vehicles flying on the road on your behind. They may not be able to react the same way as you do. So this is where preemptive braking comes into action. There comes the legendary Fortuner. Give me some space. Changing the lane, indicator engaged, moving out. Again, gain the space, indicator, move. Now pull. Simple, easy, no rocket science, provided you are well disciplined enough to do and practice this kind of maneuvers. This is what we call risk mitigation. Wow, the Bolero Neo looks nice. Black color. This looks amazing. And this next one looks so pathetic. The Nexon is a very good vehicle, but anyways, the new Amaze, the Amaze of 2025, the facelift, or the new, though they are calling it as new generation, but apparently it seems to be like a facelifted model. And the new Amaze build quality is actually more better as compared to its previous generation. The doors, the body cell, I mean the outer cell of the body, I felt good because I own a Honda City 2 PS and it built stronger. It was built stronger and it feels stronger as well. So that's what I observed with this new Amaze. And yes, I'm pretty impressed with the new Amaze. Though Honda Elevate is not that good as compared to the new Amaze. When I compare it with the body density or body style, whatever you say, the feel good factor is like more in Amaze. The body feels sturdy. It feels more resilient as compared to Elevate. For some reason, Elevate feels like hollow inside. There is just though not like a paper, but still it feels much more cheaper in quality. The outer body cell, though the interior is very much good, the engine is very nice.